So YouTube polls are fantastic to be able to get some information from your audience. In fact, right here, I got my motorcycle channel, and I actually own two motorcycles. You can see in the banner, a Road King and a Road Glide. So if I want to know which one my audience likes the most, or maybe I want to do something like what vlogs, motor vlogs you want to see more, making a poll will be a fantastic idea. I will be able to get that information from my audience to kind of like make my content strategy based on what my audience wants. Welcome to the Content Creator Tool channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Make sure you hit that subscribe and that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. I'm going to show you how to make a poll. It's actually quite simple. Before I get into that, if you don't have that poll tab in your channel, just know that there is a requirement. And right here it says creator with over 500 subscribers have access to community posts. So you know you're going to have at least 500 subscribers. So very simple. I'm here in the motorcycle channel. I'm going to click this plus tab right here. It's going to say upload video, go live, or create a post. Obviously, we're going to click right there. And right here, you're going to see a couple different things, right? It's going to say image poll and text poll, right? So you actually could put a picture and do something related to that. You actually put a video as well. So we're going to do the text right here, and then here we're gonna ask a question, and I just type right there Road Glide versus Road King, which one is better? Now I'm gonna put right here Road King, and right at the bottom I'm gonna put Road Glide. I'm actually gonna add up another choice, and I put right there both are great. And then a couple things right here before you post it, you go actually click right here and you go actually schedule this poll. So if you're working in the middle of the night, but you want to bring this out at 8 o'clock in the morning, you know you could schedule it to whatever time. We're just gonna post this real quick, and this is what you're gonna see, guys. You see the channel right here is going to say Road Glide versus Road King, which one is better, and then you're going to have percentage right there. You can actually click right here and you can actually share this with your audience as well. So I went up and switched channels to the Content Creator Tool channel, to this channel, so you can see how this look in public, right? So 32 seconds ago I posted that. I'm going to click right here Road Glide, and now you're going to see a percentage right there of 100%. Obviously I'm the only one that have clicked it, but again, having that in there could be so beneficial, because maybe a week or so back you could come back and you could kind of see your polls, and it could kind of like give you so much critical information that you could utilize later on to create a solid content strategy so you could have a better channel. Anyways, guys, it's that simple. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next one.